English Teacher Strategies in Managing Large Class, a case study by Leni Marzulina dan Erlina, Muhammad Hollandia, Kasinya Harto, Data Despitasari, and Desi Anggraini. The study aimed at finding first, English teacher strategies in managing large class, and two, student perceptions toward their English teacher strategies. The study involved 4 English teachers and 10 students at one state Madrasah Sanawiyah in Palembang, Indonesia. The data were collected through observation, interview, and document review. Then thematic analysis was conducted across the data set. Now we will come into finding and discussion. First finding is English teacher strategies in managing large class. In English teacher strategies, there are 4 strategies that teachers have planned about. First of all is planning the lesson, to then organizing and controlling the student, then managing classroom communication and talking time, and the last is giving written and timely feedback to the student. And the second finding at the study is student perceptions of the teacher strategies in managing large class. In student perceptions, the student will be like to first enhancing the understanding of the lesson, because the majority of the student understand the lesson when the teacher explains the material in 2 languages. Then number 2 is practicing mutual respect. Some students obey the classroom rules because they do not want to disrupt their friend, or some other students obey the classroom rules because they respect their teacher. And the last is creating learning comfort. Most of the students were comfortable when the teacher approached them to provide individual analysis and assistance in learning, and some of them were enjoy learning English with their friend in several types of seating arrangement. Conclusion: English teacher in managing large class use several strategies. The strategies for planning the lesson, organizing and controlling the student, managing classroom communication and talking time, giving written and timely feedback on student work. The majority of the students positively perceived toward the strategies used by their English teacher in managing large class, and they found that the strategies were helpful for them in learning English. This perception should be considered a determinant of student attitude toward learning and reflects teacher teaching practice in large class. Although there is no best way to teach large class, it might be a good to review teacher strategies in the study to address the difficulty of teaching English in a large class.